The technique to the dough. What's the best mixing to, to use? In theory, any of the three techniques described can be used for any yeast dough product, depending on the results you want. Maximum flavor, you might think that the short mix is the best to use for all your products, but because of the long fermentation times, this approach would not fit most modern production schedules. Bread characteristics based on mixing techniques. Mixing techniques has short mix, improved mix, and intensive mix. The crumb color is creamy, creamy white, white. For the crumb structures, open, irregular, somewhat open and irregular, tight and irregular. For the flavor and aroma, complex, good but mild, not as complex as a short mix blend. We have here the mixing times, fermentations, and falls. The mixing techniques short mix has first stage at first speed it has 9-10 minutes to 3 to 4 minutes. Second stage at the second speed has 0 and fermentation time has 4-5 for straight dough and falls 4 to 5. The improved mix and intensive mix has the fermentation 6 minutes for development, 3 to 4 minutes. Second stage at second speed, 5 minutes to 8 to 12 minutes. For the fermentation times, 3 to 4 hours per dose with sponge or preferment 1 to 2 hours to 20 to 30 minutes and 1 to 2 pulls. Controlling fermentations. Proper fermentation, that is fermentation that produce a dough that is neither underripe, the young, nor overripe old, requires balance of time, temperature, and yeast quantity. For the time, fermentation times vary, so the time to fold the dough is indicated not by the clock, but by appearance feel of the dough. For the temperature, ideally dough is fermented at the temperature at which it is taken from the mixer. Large bakers have special fermentation rooms for controlling temperature and humidity, but small bake shops and restaurant kitchens seldom have this luxury. For the water temperatures, dough must be at the proper temperatures, usually to 78 degrees to 80 degrees, 25.5 degrees to 26.7 degrees, in order to permanent the desired rate. The temperatures of the dough is affected by several factors. Yeast quantity. If other conditions are constant, fermentation time may be increased or decreased by decreasing or increasing the quantity of yeast. The C projects for modifying yeast quantities. In general, use no more yeast than is needed. Excessively yeast results in inferior flavor. Small batches. When very small quantities of dough, only a few pounds are made, the dough is more likely to be affected by shop temperature. Thus, it may be necessary to slightly increase the yeast quantity in cool weather and slightly decrease in hot water. Other factors naman, the salt is the formula, the minerals in the water, and the use of the conditioners to improve affect the rate of fermentations. Retarding means slowing the fermentations or proof of yeast dough. By this may be done irregular refrigerators or in special retarders that maintain high humidity. Retarded fermentations. Dough to be retarded in bulk usually give partial fermentations. It is then flattened on sheet fans covered with plastic wrap and placed in the retarder. The layer of dough must not be thick because the inside will take too long to chill and thus will ferment. Ferment. The retarded fruit, made up units to be retarded are made from young dough After makeup, they are immediately placed in the retarded. When needed, they are allowed to warm and finish their fruit. Is necessary, they are then baked. Producing handcrafted breads. Not many years ago, bread was something of an afterthought in most restaurants. They offered little in the way of variety paid scant attentions to quality in most cases in many cities today. However, fine restaurants vie with one another to serve the most interesting selection of fresh artisan breads. Customers are often given a choice from among 4, 5, or even more types. Likewise, handcrafted specialty breads and are appearing neighborhood bakeries, and everyone seems to have discovered the lights of sourdough. Using the formulas. Using the formulas, procedures and techniques for mixing and fermenting bread dough are explained in details in the first part of this chapter. In this chapter, crisp crusted breads formula. The crisp, thin crust of French, Italian, and Vienna breads and hard rolls are achieved by using formulas with little or no sugar and fat, and by baking with steam. Because the crust is part of the attractions of the item, they are often made in long, thin shapes that increase the proportion of crust. Hard rolls in the ingredients is 1 the breads, water, yeast, instant salt, shortening, egg white. For Vienna bread, we have the bread flour, water, yeast, instant salt, sugar, malt syrup, oil, eggs. For the Italian bread, we have the bread flour, water, yeast, instant salt, and malt syrup. For the French bread, to straight dough, ingredients we have the bread flour, water, yeast, instant salt, malt syrup, sugar, shortening. And we have here the baguette. For the ingredients is bread flour,